Hi, my name is Sam. I'm an account manager here at Conde, and with this series, I hope to help you find products for sublimation with a high demand and low competition on Etsy. I use a software called eRank, and today we will be looking at wine boxes. Here on my screen, I searched the term wine box. You can see that it has average search volume of 1,800. It has a good click-through rate and low competition. We also look here at the trends to see that it has a peak in Q4 around the holidays. And then again, it looks like May. But overall, looks like it's trending pretty well. I come down to the related search terms to see if there's any other keywords that I could use for this listing. I don't see any that I like, so I will just analyze the original one I searched, wine box, analyze here, and it'll give us some more detailed information. Again, the keyword statistics, the search trend. All right, so it looks like the average price is $22.50. That's some good information. It has a good weekly views. One of my favorite parts is the word cloud here to give us potential tags to add to our listing. Custom wine box, wooden wine box, all of those apply to my sublimated wood box. I'm going to scroll down. So I have wine box. I'm also looking for additional keywords. Wine gift box, that one has some potential. Wine holder. Wood box. Gift for her. Bridesmaid box. Wine bottle holder. Wine caddy. So I take a list and I write down all of these words. Then I can go back and dive into each word specifically to see if there's additional words that I may want to use in my listing, or say a niche. For example, bridesmaid box. I may want to make a whole line of wine boxes that cater specifically to bridesmaids, or specifically for women, specifically for job promotions. You could have a complete Etsy shop dedicated to wine boxes, wine holders, wine caddies, and then niche down into different holidays, occasions that people would be looking for wine, or for someone who is a wine lover. So after writing all of these down, I then scroll to see what the top listings are. So typically it'll show 1 through 50. This first listing is a personalized wooden wine box, and it is selling for $41.99. You see here it has 15,000 views, and it has been listed on Etsy for 1,945 days. So I want to take a little bit of a deeper look into this product. I'll click here. And mainly when I do this, I'm looking for what brings people to this listing, what can I do better than this listing, what is complementary of something that I can offer and compete with this listing. So it has a great visibility score, great views. It has been listed a long time. It only says there's 3 available. So let me scroll down a little further. Their title, personalized wooden wine box, wedding gift. So let's see what they're ranking for. Custom keepsake box, nope. Love letter box, nope. Wedding decor, high competition. Personalized, high competition. Rustic, too high. So here, wooden wine box, low searches, but it may be bringing them some traffic. Wine holder, that also may be bringing traffic. It looks like you know, they are getting traffic, but also they have been listed for a long time, but they could improve on some of their words here. Scroll down, I like to look at the description, read the description, see what measurements, what attributes they are listing to make sure that you have those listed in your description as well. Okay, they're doing a great job with photos. They have all their photo spots taken. They have different examples of the finishes as well as the different fonts that you can use. So that looks really well. Awesome. So then I next go to Etsy itself and type the item I'm looking for, wine box, in search. So this first bar again is ads. People are paying to be at the top. And then here is our wine box that we just looked at with the name on the front. This is a paper box, another name box. Go in, this is probably a PDF. Wine box again with the family name. So we can see that the family name here is pretty popular. So we may want to maybe emulate, but you know, we can do sublimation. So we could put the family name with the family crest, the family name with a wedding photo, the family name with an anniversary photo, you know, the 25 years. I would really market towards adding personalization with maybe a photo, because that's going to have you stand out to just the names on the box. Yeah, most of the first page are wood boxes with some kind of engraving on them. So I think there's a lot of potential here to add sublimation and rank on this keyword. We do offer sublimation boxes in both cherry finish and natural finish with a wooden insert. The insert is the part that you would sublimate to. So here are part numbers for the boxes. WP527CH is for cherry. WP527N is for the natural finish. And the insert is sold separately, U9965. Check us out. This is a good product that has high search volume, low competition, and not many people are using sublimation. My name is Sam, and I am an account manager here at Conde Systems. I look forward to working with you. My extension is 211. My email is sbame@conde.com, and I hope to talk to you soon.